Hello everyone! Today we'll be covering how to use the Levels palette for our model in FormIt. To assist in this lesson, I've created a two-story building model, so let's begin in the Levels palette on the palette toolbar. Click the Add Level button 3 times. And now double-click into each elevation to modify the heights. We will have a level at 14 foot 6, at 1 foot, and at 34 feet. I typed these out of order to demonstrate the refresh button, which will automatically rename and order your levels based on the height sequence. Now, if we want a more specific name for our levels, you can double-click the level name and type in the new label. So my level 3 will become top of roof. To apply the levels to the existing geometry, I will select the building shell and site group and go to the Properties palette in the palette toolbar. Enable the Use Levels checkbox and you'll see the levels that intersect our geometry are pre-selected, and in the canvas they highlight in dark blue outlines along our model. So now our building shell and site has all 3 levels applied to it. If we go back to the Levels palette, you will see the area is already calculated based on the model geometry associated to each level. So if I only want the interior area of level 2, I can go to the Properties palette and turn off level 2. Now I'll select the second floor plate group within the building, check on Use Levels, and only select the second floor, and notice the heavy blue outline is now inside of the building walls, and the area in the Levels palette has updated. If you are creating a multi-level model with evenly spaced levels, you can press the Add Multiple Levels button and type in the number of levels and their height difference. Now, if you want to remove levels you are not using, select the level to be removed, and the Delete Level button will highlight. Click it and it is removed. And that's it for FormIt Levels palette. Be sure to check out more videos on the FormIt YouTube channel.